Okay, we are going to open this gift, Christmas gift from the hubby. Very nice gift. Which is perfect for my globe puzzle. Okay, so I'm gonna have to set it down. Or maybe I need his help. There we go. The puzzle Lazy Susie. Lazy Susan. Oh, it's felt. Very nice. Felt. Okay, let's see. Is there something? No? Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to try it on this table now. Oh, I can't wait. Ah, very nice. Now, the first thing. No. Oh my gosh, no way. Okay, I don't know how this happened, but the first thing that I'm going to use this baby for is, ta-da, this puzzle, which I'm going to put right here once it's done. I actually wanted to build it here, and I had the logistics down because these are kind of plasticky, so I was going to make a whole thing and just put tape that I can just stick it on there. However, what I thought was going to be the most difficult part was like having pieces over here, and then trying to get to it up here. So figured I'd make it on here. Ah, build it. Boom, right there. So perfect for puzzle my travels. Ah, thank you, hubby.